Well, hello folks, we're not on the normal camcorder, we're on a posher one than usual, but there we go. I've left the other one in the chapel. Well, it's just been talking away, somebody banging a hammer. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, we've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
Roger on that.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. On the Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. On a
Barracuda HB940 from 1981 using Cybernet 134 up the pier chassis, and I'm using standard replacement mitre and it's 4
Yep, roger that. Not received, no problems.
Roger. level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Gregley's turn.
Roger, got you at the Gregley's turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. One is Barracuda HB940 from 1981 doing a full force output doing 1.19 amps. Then goes to low power preset to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, low power. Now doing 400 milliwatts, going 5 milliamps of current. We're going to go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. All received well, no problems on full power. Bit noisy on low power, but you're all legible.
Roger that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rosby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, the usual 136.9, 144.7.
Right, well, that was an absolute treat, thank you very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rosby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rosby Level Crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, the usual 136.9, 144.7.
Right, well, that was an absolute treat. Thank you very much.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Okay, we'll just open up his factory original mic, and we'll go through to our Midland 76900 base station, starting with the mic we've been using, our standard mic, then we'll go over to this. And of course our Midland 76900 base station has exactly the same insides as this, because they're both Cybernet 134 sets.
Tango 21, setting Barracuda HB940, into our Midland 76900 base station, setting 123455431. Top is on low power of the hum test, there we're on low power at 400 milliwatts, back to full power. The idea of the hum test is if there was a hum on full power, it would diminish on low power. Now we're going to go over to the factory original mic. Here we are on the factory original Barracuda mic, testing 12345.